Chemists combine various atoms to make molecules, which are simply two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. When making plastic, these molecules generally are called monomer. What is the most common chemical in plastic? Almost all plastic derive from fossil fuel, especially natural gas. Many of the largest and most hazardous chemical families, including heavy metal, flame retardants, phthalate, bisphenol, and fluorinated compound, are directly associated with plastic production. More than 10,000 additive, processing aids, and monomer are used to make plastic, with about 2,400 identified as potentially hazardous, according to the result of a comprehensive study cataloging publicly known chemical use in plastic manufacture.
Chemical combine various atoms to make molecules, which are simply two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. When making plastics, these molecules generally are called monomers. These monomers then are combined by chemical bonds into a chain or a network. This is called polymerization, and the resulting materials are called polymers or plastics. However, sometimes chains contain chemical moieties that, with the help of an additional molecule known as the cross-linker, can be either chemically or ionically cross-linked. An ionic bond occurs when the additional molecule is an ion in nature, such as calcium and magnesium ion. Notice that these ions are divalent to charge in nature. This is important because it allows them to interact with two chains at a time. This bond can be disrupted with solvent of high ionic strength. Covalently bonded polymer chains occur when a chemical reaction takes place during the formation of a polymer chain and dysfunctional monomer, meaning that it could react in 2 points of the molecule is used. This is difunctional monomer can potentially bind two different chains, creating a mesh. This type of polymers do not dissolve in any solvent but can swell in some cases hundreds of times their dry weight.
To address this situation, researchers have adopted advanced thermochemical recycling process to produce intermediate product of the petrochemical industries, including monomer, fuel, and other value-added products.
The main reason plastic and similar items do not react to acid is that they are non-polar materials like oil. Because of this, polymers don't form ion readily and are held together by van der Waals force. Which acid is used in plastic? Acrylic acid is used mainly in the formation of polymer. Its use include plastic coating, adhesive, elastomers, paints, and polishes. Additionally, acrylic acid is used in the production of hygienic medical product, detergent, and water treatment chemical. What happens if plastic is exposed to acid? If you use the wrong kind of plastic, it will deteriorate as soon as it comes into contact with the chemical. The structure of the basin will be compromised and could even become damaged as a result of this exposure, ultimately weakening and losing its shape.